Hello friends, welcome back. My name is PK. In this video, we will show you how you can change the data source in Microsoft Power BI. Let's say if your Power BI report or dashboard is connected with one of the Excel file and you have placed that Excel file into the another folder and you want to change the data source, then how you can change that. We have here this Power BI dashboard. Make sure this should not be available inside a zip folder. So just keep somewhere in your local folder or somewhere in your OneDrive or wherever you want. Now let's open this. So we have this Power BI dashboard and we want to change the location of that Excel file. So we can go to the home tab and here we have the transform data. Just click here and we have here data source setting. Just click on that. Now as of now this is connected with this file. So now you can click on change source and you can change the source or the path here. The file is the same, we are using the same file, we are just changing the path. So you can copy the path and you can paste there, or you can just click on browse also. Just click on the browse and here just go to that folder. This is the file, just select that and click on open. Now we have got the path including the file name. Let's click on OK and just close. Now you can click on apply changes. So data is refreshed and now whatever data you update inside that file, just enter your data and then you can come to this Power BI and you can simply say refresh on the home tab. Your new data will appear in this dashboard automatically. Alright friends, so that is how you can change the data source setting in Microsoft Power BI. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel to get the regular update of my videos. Thank you so much for the watching.